Here is an overview of some of the most significant food and nutrition trends that are expected to shape the year 2026, built on the expertise of market analysts, industry watchers, and the emerging consumer behavior of the market. Food trends in 2026, Innova Market Insights, Powerhouse Protein. One of the foremost food and beverage trends forecasted for 2026 is what Innova aptly labels Powerhouse Protein. Around 60% of global consumers are actively incorporating more protein into their diets across various meal occasions and formats, and not just breakfast or dinner. Demand isn't limited to animal-based protein. The rising interest in plant-based protein offerings also continues to grow, with innovative companies exploring a diverse range of sources such as legumes, pulses, and newer plant proteins. Gut health, gut-brain connection, and functional foods. Gut Health Hub is another major trend forecasted for 2026, according to Innova. This is reflected in the interest of 59% of consumers globally who firmly believe gut health is an essential aspect of their overall health. This interest generates increased demand for foods containing prebiotics, probiotics, and fermented fibers, as well as other gut-supporting ingredients. Beyond digestion, there's growing interest in foods and beverages specifically targeted at mental wellness and cognitive health, such as nootropic nutrition, mood-supporting adaptogens including certain herbs or functional mushrooms, and ingredients that support brain health. Plant-based 2.0 sustainability and minimally processed foods. Plant-based eating continues to transform in ways beyond merely replicating meat or dairy substitutes. Consumers are increasingly whole food plant-based proteins instead of highly processed alternatives. Sustainability, regenerative agriculture, and upcycled ingredients are becoming increasingly important, with consumers increasingly wanting foods that are good for them and the planet. Expect also a general push toward cleaner labels, simplifying ingredient lists, fewer ultra-processed foods, and more openness about where food comes from. Personalized nutrition and data-driven diets. Advanced AI technology, microbiome science, and biotechnology are making personalized nutrition more achievable. Instead of one-size-fits-all diets, people may increasingly follow meal plans tailored to their genetics, gut health, lifestyle, and personal health goals. This could entail custom meal kit services or nutritional guidance apps. Wellness may encompass a broader scope than just calories or macronutrients, factoring in gut health, mental wellness, longevity, and overall balance.